I welcome you once again, viewers all over the world. I welcome you to my page titled Marriage and Divorce, where we discuss issues affecting marriages, affecting divorce generally. My name is Dr. Hilary Moechefu. I'm your anchor man, your counselor, your lawyer in these segments of the teaching. The teaching this hour is as a result of the comments I received from the comment section in my previous video, where somebody asked me to explain the rights of women or men under customary marriage and court marriage. Wow, that was an intelligent question, and I'm going to address that straight away in a simple manner without going into serious legal rhetorics. I repeat, both customary marriage or traditional marriage and court marriage or statutory marriage or marriage under the Act, they are all legal marriage. They are all legal marriages. The reason is that the law, Nigerian law, African laws, or even generally all over the world, traditional marriages are recognized. That is why Europeans refer it as marriage under native law and custom. Marriage under the Act is also recognized, but they confer not the same rights and privileges. There are rights under customary law, there are rights under Matrimonial Causes Act or under court marriage, as it were. Now, the area that may interest you, which I want to address, is on the settlement of properties. Settlement of property means sharing of properties between husband and wife whenever a divorce occurs. Now, under the court marriage, the judge or the High Court judge is empowered under Section 72, subsection 30 of the Matrimonial Causes Act to make an order for settlement of property. When I say settlement of property, I mean sharing of properties between the husband and the wife. So, under the Matrimonial Causes Act or under the court marriage now, whenever there's a divorce, the property belonging to the husband and wife must be shared. The one bought by the man alone while during the pendency of the marriage, that is when they got married, even if the wife did not contribute money, the woman is entitled to a share in it. The one bought by the wife, assuming she's working and she's doing some businesses and making some money, that property too must be shared and the man must have a share on it. That's what we mean by settlement of property. Now, it may be that the woman under the court marriage was a full-time housewife. She doesn't go to any work. She doesn't do any business other than taking care of the home and taking care of the children, cooking and doing other domestic work at home while the man goes out to do business or to work and make money. So, under the court marriage or statutory marriage, the law appreciates the role of the women. That the wife at home, even though she's not going to physical work somewhere to earn money, she's contributing to the welfare of the home, the welfare of the children, preparing meals and taking care of the laundry and some other things of the man while the man goes away. So you can't say the woman did not contribute anything for the mere fact that she didn't bring the physical money to build the house, to buy the house or buy the cars or other properties in the home. The law sees it that the woman has contributed her own quota in terms of domestic care, advising the man, sharing wisdom with the man, giving counsel where she can give, that even helps the man. So during the settlement of property, she must get something. The court is empowered to make a pronouncement on ways of sharing the property acquired together by the husband and wife, assuming the man works, the man works, the woman works, and they brought money and bought properties or erect building or buy cars. Yes, during the divorce, such things must be shared, and the court will make appropriate order for the sharing. And this sharing is what we call settlement of property in family law. But the reverse is the case. Under the marriage contracted in native law and custom, the woman is not entitled to share in the property acquired by the man, even if two of them contributed in acquiring that property. The native law and custom sees the property as belonging to the man alone. Yes, the woman can do business, she can work, earn money, buy property during the marriage. At divorce, that property belongs to her single-handedly. At divorce, the property bought by the man during the marriage belongs to him. And if there's any property bought by the man and the woman joint financial effort, it belongs to the man alone under the native law and custom. The court cannot be compelled. The court cannot be asked to make an order for the sharing of the property, or that the man should be compelled to give some of the properties to the woman at divorce under native law and custom. The woman is not entitled to that. One will not ask me, is it fair? The question is not whether it's fair or it's not fair. That is the law under the marriage contracted under native law and custom. That is the customary law applicable in Nigeria and in other West African countries, including Namibia, South Africa, including Kenya. That is how it is done. So, yes, on the face of it, it gives the impression that the marriage contracted under the native law and custom does not protect the woman's rights so much. Whereas the marriage contracted under the court marriage or registry marriage or statutory marriage protects the woman's rights in sharing of the property when there is a divorce, because the judge under section 72 subsection 30 of the Matrimonial Causes Act is entitled to make order, is empowered to make order for sharing of the property, settlement of the property between the husband and the wife. So the wife is entitled to a share of the property jointly acquired, whether singly acquired by her or by her husband during the pendency of the marriage, even if she did not contribute anything physically in terms of financial value. She is entitled to settlement of property when there is a divorce. Contrary to the marriage contracted under the native law and custom, the woman is not entitled to ask the man for a share of the property during the marriage. But if there are properties she bought with her own money, directly with her own money, it belongs to her when there is a divorce. The one bought by the man with his own money separately belongs to him when there is a divorce. But any property bought that combines the resources of the husband and the wife belongs to the man alone. And the court cannot make an order compelling the man to give part of it to the woman. So, out of the man's discretion, she can give something to the woman at divorce under the marriage contracted in native law and custom. Generally, what the customary court presidents or judges do is to appeal to the man to give something to the woman under native law and customary marriage, which the woman cannot be compelled, but morally has to may decide to part with something. You see the difference. You see the rights. There is more right for the woman under the court marriage than under the customary marriage. That is how it is. I'm not talking out of sentiment, I'm talking law. I'm talking the position of the law, not my own opinion. This is what the law says, and that is what I'm telling you. I hope you have gained something from this video. I hope I've answered the question of the person who made the comments. If you like this message, if you like this teaching, why not drop a comment? Why not like the video? Why not share it? Knowledge is power, so that other people can benefit from the knowledge. And knowledge is power, and power is wisdom. Thank you for watching this hour. Come back next time to my page, Marriage and Divorce. God bless you.